are you going to do with it? You finally caught your bird and you don't know what to do with it. Where's the biscuit out of this? Biscuit's taking that bird. It's got it in her mouth.
She does?
Oh my god. Oh no.
Oh, she's getting mad.
She didn't want Biscuit to have it. Okay, that's kind of sad now. She's growling.
You can't let her kill it, it's gonna make her sick.
Okay. I don't think I can get it from Tinkerbell. You let that go. Tinkerbell. That's our lovely cat. With a pigeon in her mouth. Let go of it. Let go. Tinky. Let go of the bird. Let go of the bird. Let go of the bird. How do I get it out of her mouth?
Get a stick, pry it open. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna make it.
You did. Wow, tiger.
The mighty hunter.